Hello guys, in this video I will try just to follow other videos and give you my insight or my thoughts about Facebook as a stock, not as a company, because all the people know Facebook, they know Twitter, they know Apple, they know them, but in terms of stock, this is what we are doing, like in swing trading. Now, if you can remember, from 2012, I will show you the yearly chart. This is how Facebook is doing. In 2012, when the stock was 17.55, now when it was 19.99, I bought it. All the analysts were against it. Now for me, when I see a price jump from 17.55, which is the low that Facebook has gone, and it goes to 19.99, I just bought. But understand that for me, I don't invest in Facebook, but I bought and I sold each time we have a trend. Okay? And these 5 years where the first one were not successful, but the 4 years after, from 17.55, it goes to the price of today, which is $116.81. Okay, we try to see now the daily chart. Now you can remark here, I was in this gap up. I got $15 in here in each share, so you can see. As I told you, I always sell, so I sold it here. Okay, I sold it in this price here. Okay, now it goes 2 days, and the third day it goes down until you see this. That's why most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, short sellers come to short and fill this gap. That's why I don't like to stay after a gap up. When I have my money set, I just exit and wait. Okay, just the second, third day, and then it goes down. So I don't feel that I want to stay with Facebook. So that's why I sold it. Now I get it here. Okay, I get it here, and I get it here. I sold it here. Okay, so you tell me, how are you following? This is what I am teaching, because I can't give you more details about how I teach, how I enter to this stock and how and when I exit. Okay, I exit with a stop loss. I enter with many ways. Okay, resistance line, support line, or during the trend, I enter the trade. Okay, now try to see what did happen here the last days. The gap up here, I sold my stock. It goes down a little bit, and it goes up, then it goes down. Now what do you think it will happen in the future? Okay, so as I told you before, there are only two ways. Either it goes up and hit the resistance line and goes up to make more and more and more price, or it goes down, okay, and it hits some support line and it goes down and down. Okay, now in terms of the price, I have always told you, never be surprised with the price. It can go to before, when I told the guys, when it was $20, $25, that Facebook will go to $100, no one believes me. Okay, no one believes. And some analysts at that time, when stock was 17, 55, 18, $19, what they say? They say we should wait until Facebook goes to $12 or $14 or $10, and then we buy it. They were wrong always. Okay, so the way I see things is I see how the stock moves and I follow the trend. And this is what we call swing trading. It's just to follow the trend. When it stops and things goes down, you exit. You don't have a weakness in your psychology. You should plan the thing. I enter here. If it works, I stay. If it doesn't work, I get out and exit. Okay? This is how I trade. And this is always how I teach for my training levels by videos. This is what I teach. And the price is the most important thing to me when I see the chart. That's why my chart is clean. You only find one line or two, which is the entry line or the resistance line, support line, or the stop loss. That is the thing that I am using in my trades. If you can see here, you will find a lot of indicators here. I have never used indicators. Although they are present in this chart, you can use any indicators here to do your trade. But for me, I use indicators the first year when I lost all my money, and then I see that they were useless, and that's why I stopped using them. When I stop using them, my performance and my trading skills go higher and higher. Okay, it's just because I don't feel well with this in small strategies, which are called indicators. Okay, now how do I feel, or what is my insight for Facebook? I say if it continues going down, it will be a downtrend. Okay, if it's going up, it will be an uptrend. And some people told me, oh, this is obvious. No, it's not obvious, man. It's not obvious, because you should act on the price. Now, if you wait, okay, if the stock is going up for many days, many weeks, until you see the trend, and then you want to enter, it's over. So you should risk your money when the people are scared to risk their money. Okay, and then you can make money where the people, it's obvious they can't make it. Now the people, most of the beginners, they like to see a big trend as they see that it is true that we have trend, and then they enter. But they enter, or they come at the end of the party. Now let's say your friends invite you for a party. They told you, okay, you come at 8 o'clock and the party will end at 1 a.m. This is the time that we have the party. Now you come at 12:59. Okay, you come at the end of the trend because you can't buy before, because you get scared. Okay, and then you come at the party at 12:59, and then you find no one in the party. All the people have fun and they left. Okay, and you come back to your home. You should be sad for this. Okay, this is how things works in the market, and this is how the people, they risk their money in order to get profit and to get more money. People who are in the market, they risk their money. It's not, there is no sure thing. But most of the beginners, what they want something for sure, and they try to find people who tell them, oh, I have a sure strategy, 100% works, just do it, it's automatic, and you get money. Okay, this does not exist in the market. If you are searching for these things that are sure, please don't search, or you will search all your life and you will never find. It's like for those guys who are looking for UFO, okay, and they are searching for alien. Hope one day they find alien. There is no alien in this world except for us that we see. Thank you very much, and have a nice night.